Take a boat tour, exploring the phrase. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into the interesting English phrase, take a boat tour. Whether you're just starting out with English or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and explore the depths of this phrase. Take a boat tour is a phrase that combines the verb take with the noun boat tour. It's commonly used to describe the action of participating in a guided trip or excursion on a boat. This can include sightseeing tours, river cruises, or even wildlife watching expeditions on water. The key here is the combination of travel by boat and the guided, touristic nature of the activity. This phrase often appears in travel brochures, vacation websites, and in casual conversation about holiday plans. For example, we decided to take a boat tour around the islands. I recommend you take a boat tour of the river to see the city from a different perspective. Notice how the phrase implies an active choice or recommendation for a specific type of experience. Similar phrases might include, go on a boat trip, join a boat excursion. While these have similar meanings, take a boat tour specifically emphasizes the structured, guided aspect of the experience. In different parts of the world, taking a boat tour can offer unique cultural insights. For instance, a boat tour in Venice might include historical commentary about the city, while a boat tour in the Amazon could focus on wildlife and ecology. We hope this exploration of the phrase, take a boat tour, enriches your English learning and maybe even inspires your next vacation. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also the experiences and cultures they represent. Happy learning and bon voyage on your language journey.